we go.
Okay, so you keep running this through. Now this is coming through fairly clean, so I'm just going to wad it up one more time. Clean surface, run it through, and that's looking okay. So I'm going to just take this, which is a dry patch, okay, looks good and clean, and I can look at it through the light. I see a lot of bright reflectivity. That's a good thing. So the tube is done. It's clean. So now you can grab your O-ring pick. I've got the two sample cell caps right in front of me here. I'm using a small screwdriver here, or like I said, an O-ring pick will work. And if you look in the here's the window. There's an O-ring, and then there's the cap itself. So I'm just going to get in here, pull the O-ring out right there, and flip this over. There's the window. So I'll do the same with this one here. Okay, out comes the O-ring, out comes the window. Now you can kind of really get a, see how dirty these windows are. It's this one obviously is a lot cleaner. You can actually see the blue shop towel behind it, but this one looks like it just was pulled right out of the mud. So this is pretty simple. I'm just going to take my blue shop towel again, get in here, and just lay it right here between my thumb and finger and wipe it down. If it's really dirty, I can work it clean.
So you don't have to worry about scratching that.
No, this is a sapphire window, so it's tougher than glass. Maybe not as tough as polished diamond, but short of taking a pipe and chipping away at it, you can't hurt it.
Okay.
It's not a plastic. You can use as tough a cleaner as you can find. In this case, I'm just using alcohol. Like I said, brake clean is a good substitute. So once I'm done with it, I'm just going to dry it off. And when I'm done now, see how it's clean, I want to keep my fingers off of it. So I'm going directly from the rag into the cap. And I can look at that. When I look at it, I see the reflected glare, and that will pick up anything that's still there. It really makes it stand out. You won't be able to see it on the camera, but that means it's clean. So I just take the O-ring. If I don't have any new ones, which I do, but I don't think you do, so I'm going to just put the old O-ring back in. Well, that's it. So clean the two tubes, put them back in the cap, reassemble the tube, and the reverse procedure as we took it out.
Okay. So that should be about it, right?
Yeah. So we can do one final shot maybe tomorrow when